Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make an amazing PowerPoint template design. So let's begin. First of all, insert a picture in the background and insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide, remove its outline, and insert a rounded corner rectangle and make it fully rounded and then rotate it like this onto the top right corner, duplicate it and make it thinner, and we'll have to just duplicate it and let's just rotate them. Here you go. Next, duplicate it as well and make it fully rounded like this. Place it in front of this. Select all of these and subtract the shape. And for this shape, go to format shape and give it a black color and some transparency. Close the format shape and insert a text box in which you're gonna add your content text. For example, I'll add the header, and next I'll just adjust it and increase its size. And below it, I'll insert another text box for the subtitle. Let's give it some spacing and increase its size and change its color to white. And for the other text, let me just space some here. Oh yeah, let me just cut this one. So let's change its color to white as well. Select all of this and move it upwards. So that was all for today. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.